Number 5.
Why only enhance machines when we could enhance ourselves? At Cyborg Nest, we believe in technology that empowers us to design our evolution. We create technology that expands the limits of our senses. Meet Sentero, a wearable sensory enhancement device that uses our sense of touch to connect us to the planet and to each other. It has the ability to sense the magnetic field of the planet, and it uses vibration to enhance your perception of space. You could sense the places and people that you care about. You and your loved ones could also choose to sense each other, and Sentero will vibrate when you are facing their direction on the planet. You could even feel their heartbeat, send and receive haptic emojis, and sense where home is.
People often ask me, why is it important to have new senses? But if you think about it, everything that we ever created started from a sensory input. We saw something, we smelled something, we tasted something, we were touched by something. And then all this information gets mixed up in our brain. And this is how we have thoughts, this is how we create, and this is how we feel. So now imagine if we had more senses, we can start feeling, creating and thinking from places that we never did before. Sensing the magnetic field of the planet is the core of the product. You will understand connections between places and things that are part of your life in a way that you never did before. You will have new types of memories, new types of feelings about places and locations and people that are part of your life. Having additional senses will soon be as normal as having a smartphone. Join the community who shapes the future. Design your own evolution.
Number 4.
Many alarms for taking medicine often take time to select. How about the dose? Relax. MedHub would definitely help you. It's easy to use. Just connect your phone with Bluetooth. Enter the information in MedHub app and distribute medicines into the box. MedHub can hold 7 days dose. The built-in drying box is moisture-proof effectively. Notifications, schedules, and quantity can be set through the app. When you hear the sound, it's time to take medicine. The screen will show exactly what you need to take. MedHub can detect heart rate. Press the button for 6 seconds during non-drug time and the result will show up soon. Shortly afterwards, we will add blood oxygen detection function. MedHub is not only a medicine box, but a mobile health reminder device. With BP Doctor smartwatch, you will know your health anytime, anywhere.
Number 3.
When was the last time you cleaned both sides of your car's windshield? Cleaning the inside is awkward. You contort your body and never exert the pressure needed to clean your window. Introducing Windshield Wow, a revolutionary magnetic cleaning device that cleans both sides of your car's windows at once, and all from the outside. With the instant attachment of the reusable microfiber cloths, a spray of cleaning solution, and a quick placement onto the Windshield Wow is ready to do its magic. Simply grab the handle of the external paddle and drag it around. The interior paddle moves in perfect unison. The 8 flexible cleaning pads hug your windshield firmly through its entire curvature. And the ultra-thin interior paddle gets into hard-to-reach areas. Have hard-to-reach windshields? Attach the extension handle to reach any size windshield. Get streak-free, crystal-clear car windows in minutes with Windshield Wow.
Number 2.
Life is better together. That's why we made Streamer, a clever little gadget that lets you broadcast the sound from any Bluetooth device to an endless amount of other streamers around it. There's no limit to how many streamer devices you can connect to a single phone, laptop, or tablet. You simply pair one streamer over Bluetooth, and the first device will then rebroadcast the audio to other streamers around it. It's also great on its own. A secure clip makes it perfect for outdoor activities using a single earbud so you stay aware of what's happening around you. A double tap anywhere on Streamer lets you activate Siri and start or stop a phone call. Streamer has a crystal clear built-in microphone, perfect for conference calls. And magnets in the specially designed earbud make it snap in place when you're done. If you already own a favorite pair of wired headphones, just plug them into Streamer to make any headset wireless. After launching Jackster on Kickstarter in 2017, we decided to reuse the existing plastic parts and develop entirely new electronics and software to create a unique product. Whether you're on the go, working out, or spending time together, enjoy amazing audio you can share. Thank you for backing our Kickstarter.
Number 1.
We bring our laptop everywhere with us, and we don't really think about all it undergoes. Common sleeves may shield from scratches, but they may not protect what's inside. So we designed a second skin that truly protects from all the shocks of your daily life. The Gin Sleeve is an innovative laptop sleeve with 4 integrated corners that cancel shocks coming from all sides. The most fragile part of our laptops are always the corners. They assimilate the most concentrated shocks and are likely the impact point in case of a fall. Our corners are our own patented technology. Our shock absorbers' patented geometry completely cancel most shocks, even before they reach your laptop. The sides are also reinforced as to not have other effects remaining. The corners are the main device in protecting your laptop. We evolved it to find the right balance between being compact and resistant. We made the structure so that the sleeve panels would also be protective. Inserting your laptop is smooth and easy. The sleeve is compact and made with long-lasting materials. We are veterans, working in product development for several brands. We started this brand to meet our users' expectations. We want them to receive top quality. That's it. We want honest products for people like us. And this is why the Gin Sleeve is fully produced in the US. Gin Sleeve is the adequate protection for your laptop and all that's inside. Welcome on board.